Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the brain teasers of factors and multiples. Now coming to the 10th sum. Replace the blank in 6 to 5 box with the least number so that the number is divisible by 11. So you know for 11 what is the method? 6 to 5 box. So for 11 what is the method? You have to write the odd even places, isn't it? So it is odd even, odd even. So sum of digits at ones place, sum of digits at tens place, and the difference. Now ones place you don't know, 2 and you don't know box. Now here it is a 6 plus 5, it is 11, isn't it? So difference 11 minus 2, here you don't know. See, 11 minus 11 should be 0, isn't it? So you don't know here how much it should be. You have to get the difference as 0. So just what you do, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So here it will be 9. Hope you understood. Then you will get the difference between the two the digits at ones place and the tens place as a 0. Yes or no? So difference, if you put here 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So now the difference will be 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. So how you got 11 minus 2 is equal to 0. 11 minus 2 is 9. So answer 6 to 5 box में आएगा 9. Okay. Now write any two numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Any two numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. अभी 3 का ही टेबल में देखो, छोटे नंबर्स को ही लिख सकते हैं. 3, 6 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Now 15 divisible by 3 but not by 9. ऐसे बहुत सारे आएंगे. Now divisible by 5 but not by 10. छोटा नंबर लेंगे तो बड़ा नंबर भी ले सकते हैं. 5 के लिए एंडिंग विथ 5, 10 के लिए एंडिंग 5 विद 0. सो इट इज 2, 5, 3, 5. बड़ा नंबर आप लोग ले लो और इधर 3, 6, 7, 5. Any number ending with 5 is divisible by 5 but not by 10. Divisible both by 4 and 8. 4 and 8 दोनों से divisible कौन सा रहता है? It is 32 है ना, 32, 48. बड़ा नंबर बोलेंगे तो 9864 10328. सो 4 के लिए लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स, 8 के लिए लास्ट 3 डिजिट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 4 and 8. Divisible by all the 3, 2, 4, 8. So 8 से divisible है तो 2, 4 से भी है. So you can write bigger numbers 3, 6, 7, 2, 8. Then 5, 0, 8, 3, 2. Any number which is divisible by 8 is divisible by 2 and 4. 8, it is divisible by 4 also. Okay. So any number you can write. Here the answer will be different according to your choice, but you have to remember the divisibility test. Okay, now we have finished the question number 11. Now coming to question number 12. Okay, 12 HCF फाइंड आउट करने का है. तो सबसे छोटा 522 है, then it is 1276 and then it is 1624. Okay, so 522 then 1276, divide 1276 by 522. 5 2s are 10, 3 digit, 4 digit. So check using 1 digit and 2 digit. So 5 2s are 10, 2 डालो, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. छोटा है, yes 2 डाल सकते हैं. 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 4 3 and 2, 1 minus 1 0. 522. अभी 2 हाउ मच जा, 3 डिजिट 3 डिजिट, फर्स्ट डिजिट पूछो. 2 2s are 4. Yes, you can put 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4 means 12 minus 4 is 8. Now here it is 1. 11 minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 remain. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Take 2, 3, 2 inside. 5 how much are 23? 5 4s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 4 5s are 40 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23. So इधर आपको मिला 58. तो 58 को इधर ले लो और थर्ड नंबर. अभी देखो इधर 2 डिजिट, इधर 4 डिजिट. सो फर्स्ट 3 को ले लो. 5 हाउ मच 16, 5 3s. लेकिन चेक करो साइड में 58 into 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. बड़ा है, नहीं डाल सकते हैं. सो 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 minus 6 मतलब 12 minus 6 is 6. अभी इधर 5 बचा. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring this 4 down. 5 9s are 45. लेकिन वो बड़ा होगा. सो 58 8s देखो 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40, 46. So इधर आएगा 8. So 8 58s are 464. तो अभी HCF क्या मिला? 58. Answer HCF is equal to 58. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood the HCF method. If it is a very big number, better take care. अभी LCM, common division method, but the number, all the numbers are big. 198, 135, 108, 54. Even number, that is by 2. 9s are 18, 1 remain, 9s are 18. 135 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14. अभी 4 even number, so 2, 99 as it is, 135 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14, 27 as it is. अभी 99 3 से जाता है, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 9. Now 5 8 9 3 से जाएगा, 3 4s are 12, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, 9s are 27. बड़ा नंबर है तो डरने का नहीं, मेथड के हिसाब से करते जाओ. अभी 33 and 9 3 से जाएगा, 3 1s are 1s are, 3 1s are, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. अभी फिर से 3 11 as it is, 3 5s are 15, 1s are, अभी डायरेक्टली 5. 11 as it is, 5 1s are, 1 as it is, now 11. 1s are 1 1 1. तो LCM is equal to 1 2, 2 times 2, 3 times. Now 5 and 11. 2 and 5 10, अलग ले लो. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are. So 27 2s are, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5, फिर 11, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55 plus 4 59, 5 9 4 and 2 5s are 10. समझ में आया मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करने का है? तो बड़ा नंबर रहेगा 2 and 5 रहेगा तो 2 5s are 10, उसको साइड में रखने का, दूसरों को मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ. LCM will be always a big number. You have to be careful. Now coming to the 14th sum. The HCF and LCM are given and one of the number is given. Find the other number. Okay, HCF, how much it is given? HCF is equal to 13. LCM is equal to 1989 and first number is equal to 117. Second number, let it be x. So the property HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now HCF is 13, LCM is 1989, one number is 117, the other number is x. तो x इधर रखो, 13 into 1989 upon 117. अभी 13 1s 13 9s. ठीक है, अभी 9 का टेबल में जाता है या नहीं देखने के लिए 9 9 18 18 plus 9 27. Yes, 9 1s 9, 9 2s 18, 1 remained, 9 2s 18, 9 1s 9. So x is equal to 2 2 1. Number बड़ा है, that's all. Otherwise the same method. You have to be careful and you have to go on doing according to the method. So answer, the other number is 221. Now last sum. Can two numbers have 15 as HCF and 350 as LCM? So HCF and LCM, what we have told? HCF is 15 and LCM is 350. HCF is the factor of the LCM. So check करो. 15 2s are 30, 5 remain, bring this 0 down. 15 3s are 45, remainder is 5. So answer no, as 350 is not exactly divisible by 15. 15 is not a factor of 350. So no, two numbers cannot have 15 as HCF and 350 as LCM, because 15 is not a factor of 350. Is it clear? So we have completed the factors and multiples lesson. Even the brain teasers we have completed. Hope all students are confident with all the topics, the full lesson. Bye. Thank you. All the best.